A Mustang Terminator Cobra. So I don't know what all's done to the Mustang, but we all know a Terminator has a supercharger on it, and they're not slow. They're badass cars. They're fast. So I'm hoping we have enough for them today. So wish me luck. Terminator, boys! Woo! That's my girl! Frostbite's a bad bitch! Woo! Hell yeah, guys! Oh man, that was badass. That felt good to be able to finally beat a fast car and earn it. Damn, that felt good. Been a long time with all this virus crap, man. Woo! We put a pretty good gap on that Terminator. That was pretty badass. The truck is way faster than it's running, but it's hot, guys. The DA is over 3,000 right now. The truck is not running good at all. I mean, it really isn't. These injectors, I think, are pretty much not going to work out for us, is what me and Jay's come to the conclusion of, so we're going to change them out. And we're going to go from there. We're going to go with some thick injectors, a match set, and we're going to see if that will get rid of our sputtering off the line and get this thing running good like it's supposed to. But that pass, we ran a 12.6 at 109.98, so about 110 miles an hour. We had a pretty high 60 foot, we had a 1.898. The Terminator ran 115 miles an hour at 13.1. His 60 foot was a little worse. He had a 2.160 foot. But hey, spinning ain't winning. We were spinning too, but we put a little bit more to the ground and we got around them. So badass. Hell yeah for the TorqStorm. And I can't thank Jay Green enough for everything he's done. I have literally worked that man to death, it seems like, the last couple weeks. And man, he goes above and beyond for his customers. It's unreal, unbelievable. That's all I can say. So definitely appreciate him more than anything. If it wasn't for him right now, we wouldn't even be running today. You know, he gave me some tunes that was good enough to get the truck down the track and not hurt it. and go have some freaking fun, because man, sitting at home with the virus has absolutely sucked lately. So I'm glad we was able to take the truck out, make some hits, you know, enjoy it, get some content for you guys with the supercharger on the truck, and hell yeah. So I think I'm gonna hang it up for today. We're not gonna get any faster right now, and the way the truck's been doing, I don't really want to keep running it until we get some new injectors in it. So that's gonna be it. As always, guys, please don't forget, hit that subscribe button, help support the Mopar channel. As always, stay safe out there. Definitely be careful with the virus going on, you know, this time in our life. And as always, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.